Okay, looks like everyone is ready. Let us continue. I have posted my email address in the chat box. I want you guys to take a picture of you yourself. So ask mom and dad to take a picture of you while we are busy with our class, or a small video, and then send it to me on email, please, and thank you. Let me quickly paste the URL for our new students. Kushani, here we go. I've posted it now. And if you want to play catch up, all of our videos are on YouTube as well. Okay, let us start. Today we are going to do spelling. Can you see that we need to fetch the word or look for the word east? Now the little B says, move me to spell the word east. Let's give it a second or two to see if we can find the word east. If we can find the word east in this little block. Nathan, can you tell me where east is?
That side.
Which side?
Where does the B?
So here's the B, so to the right-hand side. The B must move to the right. How many times do you think the little B needs to move to the right-hand side to spell the entire word?
4.
4 times. Let's see what happens if we ask the B to move 4 times for us. Now, how do you think we are going to tell the B?
Moved the east.
Move to the east. Must I put it in once or 4 times?
4.
Put it in 4 times. Let's see what happens with the little B. Wow, guys, now we've spelled the word east. We can also remember, we can also use the repeat button. Let's just go back one. We can also use the repeat button and say we want it to repeat 4 times, moving to the east. Let's see what happens if we put in the repeat button and 4 times. Let's say run. There we go, guys. Let's continue to our next puzzle. Move me to spell the word south. So let's see if we can find the word south. So yeah, the little B is over here. Where do you think we need to go to find the word south? Let's see where let's look at this blocks. Oyanda, where do you think is the word south?
You go straight.
Straight. Do I go straight down? Do I go straight up? Do I go straight to the right or straight to the left?
And what do you need to spell?
South. Yeah, we can see where it says find the word south.
You can go straight.
Straight down or straight left or straight right. Remember, you need to be very specific when you tell me what to do.
Down.
All right, let's go straight down. 1, 2, 3, and 4 times. Do you think we must go down 4 times or 5 times? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we need to add another block. because it's 5 little words. There we go. We've spelled the word south. Remember, we can use 2 blocks. We can either say, repeat, going south 5 times, or we can say we can put 5 individual blocks in like we just did. And now if we say run, it will do the same thing. So you can see there's 2 different codes to write. Okay, let's continue to the next puzzle. Now we must spell the word west. Let's see where west is. There's a W, a E, a S, and a T. So west, if we want to go west, we must move to the left-hand side. Let's ask Ria. Ria, will you help us with the code this morning?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, what do you think we need to do?
Move to the right-hand side.
To the right,
One,
right or left? Must I use the W block or must I use this E block?
W block.
W. So the W shows to the left-hand side. So we must move left, you said. How many times?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 times. Let us put in here 1, 2, 3, and 4 times. Let's run it and see if you are correct. Well done, Ria. I'm very proud of you. Remember, so we can say here, either, do you want to give me this solution as well with the repeat?
Yes, teacher.
All right, what must I do?
Put the number 4 and then put the word.
Number 4 and choose the word. All right, let's run it. Let's reset and run and see if we are correct. Yay. There we go. Let's continue to our next puzzle. Now it says we need to spell the word north. Can we find north?
Find north.
How many times?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
4 times. Okay. 1, 2.
I'm using repeat first.
Okay, repeat 4 times.
And then we're going north.
All right, let's run it and see. Oh no! What do you think we did?
Should be.
We have to put in 5.
We have to put in 5. Okay, let's see. Reset and let's run it. There we go. Now we have entered the correct amount of times that the little b needs to go north so that he can get the full word. It is very important to remember to count the words so that we know how many steps he must take. Idea, are you going to answer the next question for us?
Yes.
The next question says, move me east and then south to spell the word jump. Let's look.
So you must go east
Yes.
and then you must go east again
Yes.
and one more time east.
Yes.
Then you go
Down. Okay.
south.
Let's see. Very, very nicely done. So now we can also say we want the little b to repeat 3 times going to the east, because if we look at this code that Heidi just gave us, we can see that there's 1, 2, 3 blocks going to the east. Let me just quickly send the link again. Give me 2 seconds. Okay, so now we can see here that Haida said we must go 3 times to the east and 1 time to the south. So now we say repeat 3 times and put 1 block at the bottom. Let's see what happens when we run it now. Do you see that it's the same steps, but with a different code? Remember, I told you guys, it doesn't matter how you write it. It just matters that the little b does what we want the little b to do. Let's continue to the next puzzle. Move me one way, then another way to spell the word code. Let's see if we can find the word code. Who would like to answer this one for us? Oyanda, are you going to answer this for us today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. What do you think we need to do?
I think you must go to the right
Yeah.
2 times
Yeah.
and then you
Okay, let's step so we can see what the little b has done with the code that we've written. So she stepped once to the right and another time to the right. Where do you think we need to go next?
up, then
Up.
you go up, then you go right.
Okay, let's see if we reset and play. There we go. Congratulations. Let's ask Caleb to help us if we want this to go into a repeat. Caleb, I can't unmute you. Caleb, can you hear me?
My name is
Yeah.
Kobe.
My name is Kobe. I am with Kobe.
Hi, Kobe.
Hello.
Can you finish this code for us with the little pink block, with the repeat block?
Yes.
All right. Tell me what I must do and I will do it for you.
You must put in 2
Yes.
right
Yes.
and 1 more. 1 up
1 up. Yes.
and 1 right.
and one right. Let's reset and play. Well done, Kobe. I'm very proud of you. Now we must move one way, then another way to spell the word debug. Let's find the word debug. So here's our little B, and there is a D-E-B-U-G. Now, how are we going to do this? Pratik, are you going to answer this question for us?
We must take A.
Yes.
And now we must take. Now we must take that A and throw it in the bin and take a repeat. Then turn it into
How many times must we repeat what?
we must repeat 2 times.
2 times. And what must we repeat 2 times?
You must take the A now and put it in the repeat.
Yes.
Now you must take this and put it at the bottom of the
Yes.
repeat. Now we must 2.
So we wanted to repeat 2 times.
Yes.
Okay, repeat 2 times going south.
Now we must take this and put it in the repeat.
Okay. And then?
And then the A at the bottom of the one.
Okay, let's see. Let's see if you are correct. Well done. Very nice, guys. I'm very proud of you. See, your practice does come in handy. I see that all of you are practicing, which is a good thing. And only 2 people aren't practicing, but all of the rest of you, they are practicing. I am very, very proud of you. Now we must move one way, then another way to spell the word above. Let's find the word above. There's A, B, O, V, E. Kushani,
Yes.
will you answer this one for us?
Yes, must.
All right, what must I do?
Put the south.
Yes,
And the south again.
yes.
Then you put the east.
Yes.
Then you put the south again.
Okay.
Then you put the east.
All right.
That's all.
And then we say run, so we can see if we are correct. There we go. Well done, guys. So remember, let's go mute you. We can do it both ways again. We can say repeat 2 times going to the south. And then 1 time to the east, 1 time to the south, and 1 time to the east again. we reset and play, we will see that this answer is also correct. So if you've done it either way, you are still correct. Let's continue to our last puzzle for this morning. Now we must search for the word below and find it. Let's see. There's a B, E, L, O, W, and that spells below for us. Who is going to answer this question for us? Nadia?
Yes.
Are
I'm
you
not Aisha.
Aisha, sorry. Are you going to answer this question for us?
Yes.
All right, what must we do?
So we must go east.
Yes,
Then you must go north.
yes. North, oh, that's south, you see. North, yes.
Then you must go east.
East, yes. And then?
Then you must go south. No. North.
So let me give you a little trick. If you're unsure of what we must do, we always say step. We step the first one, then we go to the second one, and then we go to the third code that we've written. Now it is easier for us to see what we must do. What do you think we must do next?
Must go north.
Yes.
And
then
another north.
another north. All right, let's reset it and play it now. Well done. Okay, guys. Let's see if we can change it a little bit. So now, if you have written the code this way, you're also correct. So we say, let's reset. So we say we go to the east ones, then we go to the north ones, we go to the east once again, then we put the repeat button, we ask the little b to go north 2 times. So it doesn't matter which way you chose to write the code. You will still be correct if you've written it either this way or this way. There isn't a wrong or a right answer. Let's see what we are going to do tomorrow. Let's reset and play so we can say continue to the next puzzle. And continue. Let's see what we are going to learn tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to play with Scrat again. This time he's got slippery ice that he needs to walk over to get the acorn. Please remember to send me those photos and videos on my email address. If you do not have my email address, if you've missed that, I'll quickly pop it back into the chat box. And I cannot wait to see you guys practice, 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 and just get better from here on out. Here's my email address. I hope you've enjoyed your class with us today, and I cannot wait to see you tomorrow. Bye-bye, everyone. Celeste, you can screenshot of the work that we've already covered. That would be very nice as well. And also if little ones are actually busy in the class while we teach, just to make a little short video, or you just take a photo of them practicing. And it's always advisable to go over the same work and practice the same work over and over and over until you guys cope and understand it perfectly, because from here on out, things are going to get a little bit more difficult. So if we cover the baseline, we will be perfect.